Good morning, YouTube. I'm glad to be back with you all. Welcome in. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. Or if you're watching this recording, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. Good morning. I'm glad to be back. It's all good, Wes. Welcome in. Market's about to open. See if we can catch a trade today. Plot twist, though. I'm only taking trades you all give. I'm playing. I like to say this. I know I say it every time, but you will hear Team Bull trading in the background. If you take a trade with them, doesn't mean I don't always take their trades. I follow my own strategy. So if you take it with them, you're on your own. Don't blame me. I'm gonna unmute Team Bull and talk to them.
Okay, now.
What's up, Jay Dunn?
This Jay Dunn. What's up, Grizzly? From here on out, everyone on Team Bull calls Brandon Little Bites.
Oh, you talking about his eating? Slow eating?
I like to call Brandon, we say Little Bites. Price is kicking it. Gene's laughing. Gene's the one who came up with it. His name, so I looked over at Gene's phone one time and it says Little Bites Brando. I said, who the fuck is Little Bites Brando? Oh, Brandon, he takes 10 hours to eat a cheeseburger.
Brandon and my daughter get along well. It takes her forever to eat anything. Drives me crazy.
It'd be perfect for them. Bro, went silent. That's crazy. He knows it's facts. Are you talking? Brandon, do you have something else you want to say that's productive? Anything at all.
All right, YouTube, here we go. What's up? Welcome in, everyone. I'm glad to be back with you all. Oh, the bot is doing great. It caught one winning trade overnight. I just testing it, getting the code exactly right for sending the signals to the my Tradeovate, but we'll see how the rest of this week goes. I'll know a lot more by Friday at close. So. If you have any questions, YouTube, just drop them in the comments. I'm unmuting Team Bull. I'm gonna focus in here. See if we can find a nice setup together. Can everybody hear me? We good?
We're hoping now from 488.
What's up, Greg?
What's up, man? How's it going?
I'm doing well, bro. How are you doing?
Waiting for levels. Looking this level right now, whether decide to pump earlier. 488.
You can, Matthew, but you probably don't want to mess with you don't want to interfere with any of the signals. So maybe a good idea to let the account you trade on, just set aside, get a different account to actually manually trade with me on here.
Brandon, how do I keep my book map moving? Oh, here we go. We just teacher leaves me with more questions than answers. Unacceptable.
Bro, I was helping this man set up yesterday. I'd say go to the top left.
You're a team bull, right? Jadon, Brandon, and Greg's on voice.
Unacceptable.
Or on Zoom.
Unbelievable.
Just click the play button though.
Wow. That's cool. Let's see, we got Tesla at 360.
What's up? Welcome back, YouTube. When I first started trading, what was my three? If I had to pick three struggles, I don't know which one would be the main, but not wanting to lose would be one issue. I'm sure we've all been there, or maybe some of you still are. We don't want to lose. It's just in our nature. We don't like losing. So moving stop losses, averaging down, that sort of thing was a big struggle. The new orb strategy is I still have the 15-minute orb strategy on why did that trigger already? TradingView data must be coming in wrong for that to trigger already. Be careful.
Okay, let's see.
But I think I'm about moving Grizzology to 30-minute orb strategy. I like it better than the 15-minute.
They make it 5 to 9. So the technique is working on the weekly time frame also.
Going through my brain.
Gonna add this back and see what happens. That's what I thought.
Been having to wear my glasses again. Spending so much damn time on the screen, just killing my eyes. Guess I really am getting close to 30.
What is up with that?
Not built like I was when I was 20. Gotta have the glasses on with the blue light protection and some more shit. Which is crazy.
You're getting old.
I guess so, bro.
Only trades I could see that.
Hey, see from alive. Smurf that, yeah. So wait till you hit 40. Oh goodness, what happens then? Do I have to get new eyeballs? New knees? All the bro said all the above. That is crazy, dog. That is crazy.
All right. Grizzology had a winning trade this morning here on this. What, about 20-point profit or so? Drop your questions, YouTube. We got some time here. And run up the thumbs up at the top for me real quick. You need a hard stop in this, Matt. In this market, last year you may have got away with it, but not in this market. Keep a hard stop.
Let's see here. So we got NQ cooking up, doing its thing.
This 21,560 is a real big area on the NQ, everyone. Let's watch it. Could reject hard. If we don't, we close above. I'm gonna look for the retest for a long entry.
The level looking 562.
Hey Brandon, guess what?
What, Mr. Jadon?
We got sellers at 560. Why do our book maps look different? I don't know. Mine's better than yours.
Okay. I configured mine better.
I see exactly where these sellers are hiding. I'm not gonna hide from Uncle J Dunn.
The orb strategy works better in Trump's market as opposed to Biden's. It wasn't near as profitable. From what I can tell. And like I said, I'm going to switch over to the 30-minute orb strategy. I still have the 15-minute up on Grizzology, but trying to get some updates coming for you on Grizzology.
Man, what a rejection from 516. What a rejection.
What do you mean? We do have the previous day high and low. Are you referring to like actual different sessions or? Gotta get some tires on my truck today. They're already wore out. Brand new truck. Well, I bought it last year, so. Yeah, it's got the previous day highs and lows. Get some hourly confirmation on this reject. I may try it. I'm a little hesitant to try it on the 5-minute confirmation. I don't know. I may give it a try here at this close, everyone. These shorts, your stop have to be here. That's my own indicator. You can go to grizzlytrades.com if you want to check it out. Use code NQ to try it, 50% off the first month. If you don't like it, you're just out $35. Not anything yet. I tried some shorts, everyone. My stop loss can be at the top of that candle. I went with MNQ shorts. Light size, because we know the risk is going to be at the top of that previous 5-minute candle. There we go.
What Grizzly let it cook.
Push it down. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop.
What did you get filled at?
Right at the close of that candle, right around the 542 or
Oh,
540.
already 20 points. That's great.
Well, 541 was my fill. Let's see. I took a trim there, everyone. It was quick. It wicked down quick, but I took a trim. Stop loss is now entry. Everyone understand where my stop loss is now. $21,500 would be ideal trim spot. Could bounce there. Or take full profit. Right where that previous candle closed, this candle open is where my stop is. On the 5-minute. Just don't do it. There we go. If you didn't get a trim off earlier, now's the time.
Nice try, man.
Appreciate it.
Nice job, Grizzly. Good call.
There we go. I'm going to take some more off right here, everyone. Close enough to that 500. I'm going to keep my stop loss where it is. I know I usually move it into profits, but I want to give this trade just a little bit of room to move. So I'm going to leave my stop loss at entry. It's my main setup of the day. If we get hourly confirmation on this for the puts or these shorts, I may re-enter later on. I got a question while we're getting paid more here. Is anybody making money off these shorts with me?
Give that boy Grizzly some love, baby. Yes. Get those W's from for the man, the myth, the legend. The NQ Killer 50-point trade. Grizzly Glock. Killed that, bro.
Hopefully we keep going. Appreciate it, man. We didn't have any drawdown either. What made me like shorts? Well, this is my main watch of the morning. If you look on the hourly time frame on NQ, it's pretty obvious that 21,560 area. We got confirmation on the 5 minute.
He killed that. Show for show, killed that. 60 points.
Only issue I have with this trade, my position was so light.
You had, you didn't buy more.
Nice, Alec. Yeah, lock your account. Go enjoy the rest of your day. He was down 1,100, now up 450. Nice.
Killed it.
Oh, I did move my stop loss down to 21,520. Now it's in profits. I may even move it. I'm going to move it down to 21,500 or 21,502, just a little bit above it. This could be a mega trade, Greg.
You need 10 more points. Or, yeah, what, 10, 15?
Almost. That's good, man.
I know, Big Zo. 10-minute workday. You're welcome. Careful with the random prop firms. There's a lot of bad ones out there, so be cautious, okay? And for those that's joining, I'm updating the orb strategy on Grizzology to the 30-minute. This is still the 15. I like the 30 better. Yeah, that is right, everyone. I was going to tell you, YouTube, if you don't care real quick, just get me up to 100 thumbs up real quick up top. We're almost there. And today's the last day for the Apex sale. There's 90% off, so go to grizzlytrades.com, click on Apex, use code Grizzly if you want to catch this sale. If not, it's up to you all. Whatever. I just to let you know. Just for my back testing, so I like it better. Trade's over for me, everyone. That trade is over. I can leave the option for the 15-minute if that's what you want, Vance. This It's a nice trade, everyone. And I'm going to change the confirmation on the retest too. Now, it's basically just pretty simple the way this is set up. But we're going to have a lot more confirmation. A lot more effort's going to go into the orb strategy on Grisology, basically what I'm saying. If you took that trade with me, YouTube, feel free to hang out and talk, but please do not give back your profits. You want to sit right here on the hourly? You asked me to show you. This candle, there's quite a bit of room on that, but it's like it's trying to confirm on the hourly.
Real. Oh, baby, it's raining. You can always come to me.
Hey, welcome, Kevin. I appreciate you all for joining me today. I just enjoy our conversations, to be honest. Could still see more downside here. I was just trailing my stop a little closer, maybe. But we locked in some nice profits, so I'm not going to complain. YouTube, do you all have any questions for me? We're about to get more downside. I think I trailed my stop a little too close, Team Bull. We'll see. NASA Inc. That's so funny. That guy's made multiple accounts to mess with us. I guess this way he enjoys. Let him do it.
Okay, the setup didn't work. Loans close.
Order's about to pay.
Jesus.
Retest to move down. I was dealing with technical difficulties, so I couldn't catch it. That orb is definitely paying 100%. Computer's been acting out this morning.
That's awesome.
Because the sun shines.
hoping to drop this automated trading strategy for you all soon.
Okay. Let me show you
It's getting
here.
tested on my cash account this week. Max, I just trade the same old boring strategies that work, you know. We just trade zones. We don't try to guess which way the market's going. We just trade our zones and watch for confirmation, basically. Our strategies.
Always fair.
We win some, we lose some.
Okay, let's see. Even with 1 MNQ, Nate, I think the way you get past that is you just gotta pull the trigger. Because risk isn't your issue at that point. Risk is not your issue at that point.
Yeah, it's going to be for trading view, Kevin. It'll link to your trade event.
The orb is working beautifully so far this morning.
What was the confirmation on that trade? The 5-minute reject. Negative delta. Massive zone. I mean, massive.
90.
What's the word I'm looking
all the
for
way down
here?
to 50.
Very strong resistance. Dominant level. There you go. Jay Dunn's favorite. Dominant.
We want to see if I entered the longs, guys.
It's about
Yeah, we're entering the longs. We're entering the longs, guys.
I don't know if I've read the Discipline Trader. I'm not for sure.
10, 3, 4.
Trading a zone, good book. You might fall asleep a few times while reading it, but it's been a long time since I've read that one. Any more questions for me, YouTube? We already caught a massive trade together. Hopefully in a week or so, 2 weeks. Probably more like 2 weeks, I would say. I'm going to test the rest of this week. Make sure everything's working right.
You got anything to watch, Mr. Brandon?
Whatever you tell me to do.
Yeah, well, signal.
I don't see anything. I was watching that 60 reject that grid stock. I just wanted it to pop back up.
Probably just the way I think, to be honest. The way I thought about trading, TK. Changed a little bit. To be honest, I don't remember every bit of it. I'd have to read some of it again to get the memory back of everything, but I tell you a good book that's a very hard to read. And it's definitely one that's worth a read. And it's probably one of the hardest trading books I've read, to be honest. See if I can find it. I don't know if you can see it.
Board is freaking paying today. Paying.
Reading price charts bar by bar. I don't think I've read them, Max. What's the name of them? Do you know?
Let's see here. We do have FOMC minutes as well today. Something to keep note of. Definitely something to keep on the back burner. Show for show.
Thanks, Max. I don't know. Jed and trade. I was just talking to you all. Is anybody taking another trade?
Anything near you?
No, I haven't entered nothing else.
Yeah, I'm in kilos now.
What was that? Did Greg take something?
Yeah, I am 10 kilos.
You all heard him, YouTube. I'm not taking it, but Greg said he took some NQ longs if you like trading with Greg. I think I'm just going to call it a day after that trade, everyone. No point really trading anymore. I don't see us catching a better trade than that one. And we got FOMC minutes at 2, so take note of that. You don't want to be trading during that with futures or your funded accounts. So. Any more questions before I go? Which book, Aaron, are you referring to? You all want to go live tomorrow as well on here?
If I see a trade setup, you already know I'll walk through it. I missed my initial setup for downside. I was having technical issues and getting all my software working correctly, but we're set up now.
Awesome. I'll be here for you all in the morning. See if we can't have another 10-minute workday, huh? And remember, before we go, I like to say this. If you want to try a solid prop firm, check out Take Profit. Go to grizzlytrades.com, check out Take Profit. One of the best in the game. Use code Grizzly. And appreciate you all. Peace.